This is a genuine Henrici hot air engine that I purchased at Cool Spring this past week. One of several pieces that I bought during the week. Seems to be all original. Very hard to read that in this light, but the burner is not original. But other than that, I have other Henrici style hot air engines, but this is the first original one that I've had. See if I can turn this around a little bit so that we can, there we go. So I always wanted a actual Henrici, if that's how you pronounce it, and fortunately that was one of my finds this week. I'll be putting the other finds on as I get them up and running. One of the engines I bought needs a little work before I can run it, but the rest should be on soon. Thanks for watching.